Are you tired of investing in the same old assets that never seem to generate the returns you're looking for? If so, it's time to mix things up. In the world of investing, timing is everything. And if you're looking to make a big profit in 2023, you need to start thinking about your investments now. Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable insights and information to help you make smart investment decisions. As we approach 2023, many of us are wondering what the next big opportunities are and where we should be investing our money. In this video, we will be discussing the best assets to buy in 2023 and the emerging opportunities that can make you rich. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover some exciting investment options. Cryptocurrencies. With the rise of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, it's clear that digital assets are here to stay. In 2023, we predict that the crypto market will continue to grow and expand, providing ample opportunities for investors to make profits. Artificial intelligence. The AI market is expected to reach $190 billion by 2025, and many experts believe that AI will transform the way we live and work. Investing in AI companies or funds can be a smart move for those looking to capitalize on this growing industry. Renewable energy. As the world becomes more conscious about climate change, the demand for renewable energy sources like solar and wind power is increasing. Investing in renewable energy companies or funds can not only provide good returns but also contribute to a sustainable future. Real estate. Real estate has always been a solid investment option, and 2023 will be no different. With low interest rates and a growing population, the demand for housing and commercial properties is expected to remain high. Precious metals. Gold and silver have always been considered safe haven assets in times of economic uncertainty. As inflation continues to rise, investing in precious metals can be a good hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. Infrastructure. With the world's population projected to reach 8.5 billion by 2030, the need for infrastructure development is more critical than ever. Investing in infrastructure projects like transportation, telecommunications, and energy can provide good returns while also contributing to economic growth. The rise of clean energy. As more and more countries commit to reducing their carbon emissions, the demand for clean energy sources is skyrocketing. This presents a huge opportunity for investors to get in on the ground floor of an industry that is poised for explosive growth. Companies like Tesla, SunPower, and First Solar are leading the charge in renewable energy, and investing in their stocks or mutual funds could yield impressive returns. The future of food. As the world's population continues to grow, so too does the demand for food. But with traditional agriculture practices putting a strain on the environment, a new wave of sustainable agriculture is emerging. Investors can take advantage of this trend by investing in companies like Beyond Meat and Impossible Foods, which are leading the charge in the plant-based protein market. Additionally, innovative companies like Arrow Farms and Bright Farms are pioneering new ways to grow crops that are more sustainable and efficient than ever before. As you can see, several emerging opportunities in 2023 can help you build wealth and secure your financial future. Whether you choose to invest in cryptocurrencies, renewable energy, real estate, precious metals, AI, or infrastructure, remember to do your research and make informed investment decisions. We hope this video has provided you with some valuable insights and ideas for your investment portfolio. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on investing and finance.